see him in school, and now he walked up right to me, and my knees got weak and I just had to leave. It was weird, I'm so shy.